Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you all how to make this fluffy moist vanilla milk mug cake. And to start up, we would sieve a cup of flour, half cup of corn flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Sift that to get rid of the impurities, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to now set it aside. Next would be to crack open 2 eggs in a bowl. Then I would add in half cup of sugar and then my flavoring. So I'm using a combination of butterscotch and pineapple flavor, 1 teaspoon each. Next is 4 tablespoons of soy oil and then half cup of milk. After that, go ahead to whisk them all together to combine. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Fidel and this is Fidel Food Villa. Please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, and if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe and tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Now you can go in with the dry ingredients and then give that a very good gentle mix. Fold it in while mixing, okay? When you fold in while mixing, it would help you not to overmix, and it would also help not to incorporate too much air into the batter. What's a mug cake without a mug? So next would be to bring out the mugs, then add in some oil into that and just grease them so that the cake won't stick to the mugs when they are ready. This is the kind of cake you make on those days when you're so lazy, you don't want to bring out so much equipment, or you just want cake on the go. That is when this recipe calls for, or maybe you just want that very solo cake moment. Next would be to transfer the batter into the mugs. Now, note that I'm not fooling them to the broom. I'm just making sure that they are half so that they get the space to rise properly. Okay, now I'm going to put them into my preheated oven and bake for 50 minutes, 180 degrees C. And after that, guys, our very decadent vanilla milk mug cakes are ready. And once your skewery comes out clean, they are perfectly fine. Now I'm just going to use my knife to get them out of the mug and then just transfer that to my plate. And guys, this was so good and they come out really fast. I hope you all get to give them a try. Check the description for the recipe and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.